Hello class. As we approach the first group assignment, this short tutorial is to help you get started and specifically to help you navigate from the Learning Modules assignment link to the group forum within the People tab menu item on the left hand side of our homepage. So what I'm going to do is just walk through the steps to get to your forum and how to get started with the group assignment, and hopefully that'll minimize some difficulty or concerns, questions as you begin the first group assignment. So the first group assignment is in Module 3, so just scroll down to Module 3 and you'll see a link entitled Group Assignment Number 1. Click on that and that takes you to a page that contains the questions to be answered in your group forum related to the video that you are to watch, which is linked below the questions. So if you click on that, it'll take you to a short video, and simply watch the video, and then based on these questions, go to your group forum and respond to these questions individually. Each group member is required to post responses to these questions, including the group leader. As noted above here in red print, after viewing the video and reading the questions, please go to the group forum in the People tabbed menu area to the left. So after, again, you've reviewed the video and the questions, simply come over to the menu on the left-hand side of our Canvas website, click on People, and this will take you to a second page that will then lead you to a tab that you should click on entitled View User Groups. So click on View Users Groups on the right hand side, and the view here is not correct, so I'm going to switch from a student view to my view to show you what the group forums will look like. But after you click on View Student Groups, you should get to your forum. The one you are assigned to will show up as an active link, and I have the first one set up as group number 1, and I'm going to click on that, and then you will be in your group forum within the People's tab menu item area. So you click on group 1, and the issue that crops up here occasionally in these group assignments is that these group forums have multiple menu links on the left hand side which are not removable. If they were, I would remove all of them except discussions. So once you're in your group forum, all of the participation for each group assignment must take place within the discussions area of your group forum. And again, even when the final group assignment is submitted by the group leader, please do not come down and use files or any of the other links in here. Stay right within discussions to do all your group participation, and you'll be fine. So once you click on discussions, you will then see initially a link for group assignment number 1. And so I normally try not to put all 4 group assignment links in there at the same time to minimize the possibility that someone might click on the wrong group forum to participate in the current group assignment. So just click on group assignment number 1, and you'll see a message from me stating how to get started and how to post a new entry with your responses to the questions, and how to then comment on someone else's posting with a reply or input that might be beneficial as you're collaborating towards the final answers for this assignment. As noted in the syllabus, the best way to select the group leaders, in my opinion, per assignment is to simply begin by going in alphabetical order. So if you want to minimize a lot of discussion and can agree on that, it's I think helpful to begin selecting the group leaders based on the alphabetical order by last name, and then you're well on your way to getting started. I've found in the past that many times group assignments get bogged down when there is not a leader in place early. So please try to determine that group leader position well before the deadline, and then I ask that the leader acknowledge acceptance of that role by posting a new entry in the group forum stating that he or she is the leader for that particular assignment. So once that's done, then you can simply post your response to the questions by clicking on at the bottom of the forum. You'll see a link entitled Add Reply to Topic. So click on Add Reply to Topic, and there are, in this case, I think 3 questions related to the video. Sometimes there will be 4. Simply type in the question number and your response to that question, and then post your response. Please do not use the attachment link available when you're posting responses to the questions. The only time an attachment should be used in your group blog, your group forum, is when the final answer is submitted by the group leader. It is to be submitted as an attached document. All other participation in this in these assignments is simply done through creating a new entry, type in your responses, and post. Okay, again, the attachment link is here only for the group leader to use in submission of the final answers, which will be submitted as an attached document. So that's how you post responses to the questions. And then if you want to reply to someone else's responses, you simply click in the blank dialog box below each response, each posting rather, and type in your reply, input, feedback, etc., and then post that. And what you'll see then is a posting of the original response, and then below that a reply that signifies or that is designated as a related to the above posting that you have replied to. So that is the process, and again, it's a little different forum than the discussion forums that we're used to. So please ask questions if you have any difficulty knowing how to get started with each group assignment. The main thing to avoid is once you get into your group area, again, you'll see multiple menus listed on the left-hand side here. The one you want to get into right away and stay in is the one entitled Discussions. And then once you're in Discussions, you'll be able to find the group assignment 1 link, and that'll be where you'll get started. And brief instructions there from me that then tell you to post your responses to the question by scrolling to the bottom to that link I showed earlier, and click on it, Add Reply to Topic, where you will post your responses to the questions related to the video. Okay, again, if there's any questions or comments about any of this related to the group assignments, please email or text. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will see you online.